Hi, it's Eva here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to be taking you around the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar D200 Dynamic SE. This vehicle features a 2-litre diesel engine which is seamlessly mated to an automatic gearbox and is seen here today in the fabulous Fuji White. Starting from the front of this Velar, we will find the LED headlights with our signature daytime running lights, ensuring a sharper view of the world ahead along with increased road presence. As we take a look around the exterior features of this Velar, you'll see further black contrasting features such as your black roof rails, black and bronze bonnet louvres as it sits proudly on a set of 20-inch 10-spoke satin dark grey alloys. To the rear, you'll also notice the rear privacy glass, ensuring all contents and passengers are safe from prying eyes, as well as the rear LED tail lights. Opening the powered tailgate reveals a vast and versatile amount of boot space, whether it be a week's worth of luggage or even a canine companion. Venturing to the rear, passengers will certainly be impressed with their ebony perforated grained leather seats, ensuring comfort and quality on any length of journey. And glimpsing into the cockpit reveal your 14-way driver memory heated front seats, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as the last. Taking a close look now at the view that greets the driver, you'll see your heated multifunctional steering wheel, which offers a sleek design with a wide array of features at your disposal, such as your lane keep assist and your adaptive cruise control. In front of you, you'll see your fully digital display, which can harbour key information such as your trip computer, your sat-nav and your speedometer. Advancing over now to your Pivi Pro touchscreen, which as you can see is fully interactive, features Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and provides great detail about your vehicle and its surroundings, such as your front and rear parking aid and your rear camera, which will ensure parking and navigating this large SUV is like second nature. You'll further be able to access climate control and heated seat functions from within your entertainment screen, which both driver and passenger can tailor to their own individual preferences. Finalising our journey, we look up to see your fixed panoramic sunroof, which will engross this vehicle in natural light. This has been a presentation of the approved used Land Rover Range Rover Velar, which is now available to purchase our dealership. Thank you for watching.